The tomatoes are growing really well right now, and I'm about to put trellising around them. But before I do that, I want to answer a question that I get is, what do you do about the suckers? So you may hear about suckers on tomatoes. Well, what is that? And what do they mean? What do they do? So a sucker refers to a growth that the plant sends out a shoot between the main stem and a branch. And I'll show you a picture of that. And it's a natural thing that the tomatoes do. It doesn't hurt the plant. Some people, particularly those in commercial endeavors or in greenhouses where they train their tomatoes up a line, they will remove those in order to keep a central growing leader, and it allows for improved airflow. It makes harvesting easier, and it's more, I think, to help in the production of commercial tomatoes. In the home garden, I think it's really up to the gardener. If you want to go for the jungle vibe, go for the jungle vibe. You're not hurting anything. If you want to clean them up and pull off the suckers, you certainly can, and you can just pinch them off. You can use scissors if you need, but I think they're pinching off just works just fine. I was looking at these before, and actually I don't see a lot of suckers. So I think I'm just going to leave them and maybe trim up the bottom of the plant a little bit. But other than that, I'm going to leave those suckers alone. But what do you do at your house? I'd like to hear from you. Leave a comment. If you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button. It'll be right there. And hit like. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you next time.